Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. How are you? Hi. Thanks for stopping by. Hey, we're going to do a snack, a pretzel snack. Smoked spicy pretzels. This is a recipe that my wife has put together, and she's made it in the past. And normally you just put these things together and let them dry out. But I'm outdoor cooking, so I want to smoke them and see if I can get some smoke flavor on them. So you're starting with a 16-ounce bag of pretzels. Now, you ever see in the store, they have these pretzels, they're called dots. And they cost like $7, $8, $9 a bag. I'm thinking, no, these are really good. So we're going to put these together. I got a recipe that Dawn had written down for me. So you got one 16-ounce bag of pretzels. By the way, like $2 for those great value ones. And we're going to start out with some seasoning. What I have in here, these are all half tablespoons of all of these. You got cayenne pepper, lemon pepper, garlic powder, and one of those dry ranch packets that you can buy. This is a great value brand. We just got these all mixed together. I'm going to go ahead and open up these bag of pretzels. It's super cold out here today. And we're going to smoke these. Ooh, sorry about the noise. We're going to smoke these on the good old Oklahoma Joe's. Yeah, it might be a little overkill, but I haven't used it in a while, and I've been wanting to use it. So this is a 1/3 cup of oil, just regular vegetable oil. We're going to pour that in there. And we're going to add in all our seasonings that I just told you about. This is super easy. And our pretzels. These are pretzel sticks. Hopefully it all fits. These are pretzel sticks. You can do whatever kind of pretzels you want. Those little tiny pretzels or pretzel rods or whatever you want. But I'll tell you what. Dawn makes these a lot. And they are so good and addicting. So basically, right, we put it in the bag and we're going to get them all coated as best we can. Now when she makes these, put that there, I'll tell you what, it's hard for me to stop eating them. They are so addicting. Mix them up real good. I just have it in a little pan. I poke some holes in it because I want the smoke to get on the bottom part. So with the offset smoker, you're going to have smoke going underneath and no one on top. And let's chuck these out. Yeah, they look pretty coated to me. Let's pour them in there. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Now I said normally you can just let these dry out on a paper towel, but that's no fun. So I'm going to put these on the smoker. Am I looking for a certain temperature? No, not really. I just got some hickory chunks in there on top of some charcoal. This side is reading 275. This is reading about 320. So right in between is where we're going to put them. Let's go. Hello, Oklahoma Joe's. Oh yeah, got that hickory smoke. Use whatever kind of wood you want. I use hickory for almost everything I use. Everything I cook, for that matter. And we're just going to let it do its thing. I'm going to come back out here after I go get warmed up in the house and just, you know, kind of stir them up periodically. How long is it going to take? I don't know. It'll be trial and error. Typical poor guy video. What we do here is 99% of the time it's first time cooks. And we try things out and show you folks. But yeah, you're going to go to a Super Bowl party, or if you're just chilling out watching, you know, binge watching Harry Potter, hanging out with the family. It's a nice snack. It's super easy. You know, you want to go to a Super Bowl party. You're like, darn it, what am I going to bring? I don't have a lot of money. I don't have a lot of time. Bam. And again, you don't have to smoke these. But I want to smoke them and see if they taste any different than normal. But all right, let's let this Oklahoma Joe's offset do its thing. And then we'll come back and check it and give it a taste test. Peace. Hello. Let's try these. They've been smoking for like 40 minutes. I want to try them out. Woohoo! Yeah. Want to see them? Yeah. I'm doing the camera work myself today, so it is completely amateur. They smell like smoke. Like I said, I just used some hickory. Let's give these a try. Oh yeah. Holy cow. They did get smoke flavor. Wow. That's super cool. I love these when Dawn makes them. Yeah, they're around there for like 40 minutes. Right around 250. Hickory chunks in there. Wow, you're good. Guys, you gotta try these. If this is something you're interested in, like I said, you can just let them dry out in the house. That smoke flavor gives it a level up. Yeah, baby. That's all I got. Poor guy out there cooking. Smoked spicy pretzels. Don't buy them dots, man. That's a ripoff. Make these yourself. Like $2. All right. Peace.